So Timmy, what's here?
The pipe cutting machine thingamajigger.
Okay, it's gonna be a good time.
Yeah.
All right, guys, welcome to the channel.
Right now? Are you videoing?
I am videoing.
He's over here swinging his purse.
There you go.
I didn't think it was going to pick it up. So just tell me when I'm clear, I'm going to get it close to the ground. Okay. When it clears the truck. Just tell me if I got to go up or not.
Bouncy bounce. And it's in. Going.
Roll one? No. Come on. No.
It's clean energy.
I don't give a shit.
Oh, but you'll drink the junky.
I have Red Thunder.
That's terrible. That's terrible.
You couldn't go for the Red Bull, so you had to go for the Red Thunder.
The off-brand.
Off-brand.
Oh, those are super espressos. Oh God.
Again. You want to listen to Hailstorm? No. I want to listen to whoever's YouTube friendly. This is your voice. Okay, alright. Let's need some energy. That's a chicken shit.
Is it good? I haven't tried that one.
It tastes like waffles.
Waffles.
So you're gonna drink this.
Great. So you're gonna drink that and be up all night.
It's okay. It's Friday. So what do we got here?
You're gonna go to my house, Drew.
Put the how-to assembly manual on the side of the crate. Pretty excited.
Jack in.
Well, if J.D. Squared got the shit together, we would have had one of theirs. But
I know, right?
sometimes you gotta get stuff.
We can't wait any longer.
Oh guys, there it is. So we're super excited. This thing's gonna push us to the next level in terms of production and turnover time. It's a little bit sketchy unloading it. Don't make fun of our forklift too bad. The thing's from like the 50s. It came with the building, but man, it works awesome. So this tubing cutter, we're able to CNC cut tube, anything from round to square to rectangle. It's gonna be unreal. So roll cages, bumpers, anything you can think of for quads, bikes, side by sides. I mean, we're gonna be doing it. This thing is just, like I said, it's gonna push, I think it's gonna push us to the next level. It's gonna speed us up so much. So we're trying to get our lead times down. So we're making a lot of investments in equipment to speed up our lead times. Everything we do now is mostly hand cut, hand coped, everything like that. So it's gonna be great. So stay tuned for more videos of this guy right here. If you guys like seeing equipment, maybe we can do another video on assembling this and operating it. So let me know what you think. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. There's so much more content coming. Thank you guys.